In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in the platform workspace using Google Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your core platform workspace. Once you're in, make sure you're on the main console style workspace screen. This is the area where you can access tools, records, and setup options, so it's a good starting point for creating and managing templates efficiently. From there, go to the app launcher in the console view. In the search area, look for either classic email templates or email templates depending on which version is available in your workspace. Some environments still use the classic option, while others use the more modern template experience. Either one can help you create reusable email content, so just select the one that appears in your system. After the templates area opens, find and click the New Template button. This is the option that starts the template creation process. If your screen shows a slightly different layout, just look for the button or selector that lets you generate or create a new template. The wording may vary a little depending on the version of the interface, but the purpose is the same. Next, choose the layout format you want to use for your template. You may see options such as plain text, HTML, or a custom code-based template framework. The best choice depends on how your email needs to look and function. Text templates are simple and reliable. HTML templates allow for richer formatting and branding, and custom code-based options are typically used when more advanced control is needed. If you're unsure, choose the format that matches your organization's usual email style. Once you've selected the format, fill in the required template details. Enter the title or label for the template so it can be easily identified later. Then add the content in the body text fields. Be clear and organized when writing your message, especially if the template will be reused often. A good template title and clean message content will make it much easier to manage over time. When everything looks right, click Save. This stores the template so it can be used again later whenever you need it. That's it. You've successfully created an email template in the workspace. If you'll be making several templates, it's a good idea to keep your naming consistent so they're easier to find in the future.